Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how to find and replace the camshaft position sensor. Now, that's not to be confused with the crankshaft position sensor, which goes off the crankshaft in the engine. This is for the camshaft for the valve train. So we're going to go ahead and open the hood here. And inside the engine bay, it's going to be on the driver's side of the engine. So if you look right here behind the power steering reservoir, there it is. So that is the camshaft position sensor. And again, it's measuring off of the camshafts, which go through here. And it's not to be confused with the crankshaft position. So the crankshaft position sensor is down here, and I have a video on taking it out. Some cars it's pretty easy, some you have to drop the AC compressor down a little bit to get it out of the way. And so I'll put a link to that video in the description if you want to see that one. But we'll go ahead and remove this one here. So it's very simple. You just push down on that tab and pull the plug off of the camshaft position sensor right here. Just move it out of the way. And this uses an 8mm socket to get the bolt out. So if you just get a little 1/4-inch drive one like this up in here, you can get it to it pretty easily. So just go ahead and remove that bolt. And then the sensor itself, just give it a little wiggle and pull it straight back out, and it will pop right out. So when you get the sensor out, you want to inspect the little O-ring at the bottom. That's how it seals it off. Make sure that that's okay. You may be replacing the entire sensor, and so just make sure that it's clean, and go ahead and put it right back in the same way. So you're just going to line it up and just position it straight in, pop it in, and then kind of line up the holes at the bottom for the bolt to go back in. And so that you can put the bolt in basically as kind of the guide if you want to move it around until it finds its little home there. But go ahead and just tighten that back down. And put your little 8mm socket on it. Don't over tighten it, just get it nice and snug. And then just plug it back in and listen for that click. There we go. So that's how easy it is to replace the camshaft position sensor. Again, I'll put a video to the crankshaft position sensor in the video description if you want to see that. So go ahead and start the car. And if this wasn't the problem, I have a video showing many of the reasons your car might not start. I'll also put the link to that in the video description. And just on the same note, it's in pretty much the same place on the dual overhead cam cars on the Cobras and Mach 1s. So it's just down in there, same area, a little harder to get to, of course. But anyway, thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.